Hey guys, I've gotten a lot of questions from my clients asking me how to meal plan, how they can save money on groceries. Coming right up is a video to show you how I shop at Costco, but you've now seen that I have meal plans. I'm going to show you how to use them, how to use them very simply in just a few minutes every single week before you do your big shop, your grocery shopping trip. So hang on, I'm going to show you start to finish exactly what I do. We're going to look at the regular flyers for around here. So there's Market Basket. I love Market Basket. Then there is, I tend to just look at two, Market Basket and Star Market, because Star Market's right next to me, and Market Basket is my favorite store because it usually has the best deals. Recently, since COVID shut a lot of things down, I've been going to Star Market, but before that I went to Market Basket because they consistently had lower prices. So let's take a look. I'm going to first look at Star Market. So their boneless, skinless chicken breasts or thighs are $1.97 a pound. I like them best when they're closer to $1.50 or less. So I'm skipping over that. Oh, I should also note, I use my my meal plan here. So I'm going to mark that up for you. I usually just do this in my head, but I'm going to mark up for you exactly what I'm going to do here. So you'll notice next week is this week. So school vacation week, we're trying to make it fun for the kids. We always have leftovers one night a week, so I picked that for Tuesday. And we have fish on Mondays and Fridays, so Mondays, Fridays. So, and then we call Saturday Smoothie Saturday. And by Saturday, we tend to have a lot of leftovers. So let's go back over here. So we have our plan, salmon burgers, we have salmon in the freezer, leftovers, black bean burritos, grilled cheese with soup and veggies, and white fish with carrots and hummus. So that's our, and pizza night. That's our general plan. Let's see how we're going to fill that in. So here's what we're going to do. We're going to fill in the meal plan that I have. As a mom and as someone who's somewhat health conscious, I like to make sure that our meals are at least half vegetables by volume. So the meal plan that I just showed you doesn't really have vegetables on it. I just have the main course. The vegetables come from the sales flyers that I look at. So let's look at those now. So again, here's Star Market. And one thing that's on sale, which is great, are these green beans, yellow or zucchini squash. I love zucchini. Eggplant, plum tomatoes, or broccoli crowns. You'll find out quickly. I love broccoli. I love zucchini. I love yellow squash. So we're probably going to go to Star Market unless Market Basket has a better deal here on these green vegetables. Maybe the yellow ones too. I don't know. Maybe green beans. My kids love them. I'll take one with me and let them choose. They eat more vegetables if they choose what they get. So then we're going to look over here, and that's all junk, so I'm not going to get that. We don't drink orange juice. Nobody needs Haagen-Dazs, so I'm not going to get that. And nobody needs Coca-Cola, so I'm not going to get that. Oh, but this one, we eat tuna fish somewhat often. If we are somehow out of leftovers, I tend to make tuna fish sandwiches. So I'm probably going to get a few buy two, get two free of this solid white albacore tuna. And keep going here. We're trying to cut back on unhealthy things like cheese and snacks, sweets. So looking at snacks and sweets, we don't need any of that. Don't need any of this. Ugh, that is good ice cream though, but I'm not going to get any. Now I'm going to look at some of their deals. So my husband does like ice cream. I might get him a couple of these, but for this deal, it's only good if I get 5 things. So I only buy from it if I'm actually going to get 5 things. We're almost out of pasta sauce, and I use that often, so I'll probably get 3 or 4 of these, and then 2 things of ice cream for my husband. Out of everything else, we're not going to buy it. It's not a good deal. Don't really need it. Okay, moving on. So this section, ooh. So we do have chunk light tuna in water here for 88 cents a can. They're 5 ounces. That's pretty good. I might get some of these as well as the other tuna. This is lower in mercury, so I tend to favor that, even though I like the solid white better by taste. Everything else we don't need. And then looking at the back, no real good deals on meat here. I'm looking again for $1.50 or less per pound. Nobody needs Lunchables. Oh, mangoes. Mangoes. I love that price for mangoes, so we might get a few. My kids will love them. Again, this is the Mix and Match Fab 5. This is a pretty good price for 2 pounds of strawberries, so we might get some strawberries too. And then maybe I'll make my own salads instead of going to Costco and getting their pre-made sweet kale thing. 3 pounds of mandarins for $3.99 is okay. So I might get that. I might not. So this is kind of how I'm filling it in. I have to make sure that I'm only buying enough fruits and vegetables for the week or it might go bad. And just making sure that I have vegetables filled out for the week and I have enough for the week. Now, I don't actually have pizza supplies, so I'm going to have to get some flour and whatnot, and I'll make my shopping list based on my meal plan, based on the vegetables that are on sale and the meats that I need, and the meats that are on sale. If I get to the store, maybe I'll show you. Maybe I'll just take you into the store with me. If I get to the store and they have good meats on sale and I have room in the freezer, I buy the meats. Now, meat on sale to me is something that's under $1.50 a pound here in Massachusetts. Prices are different all across the United States, so don't take that as gospel. Or fish that's under $3 a pound. Let's take a look at the Market Basket flyer, see if there's anything better there. Maybe I'll go back to Market Basket. So here we are looking at the Market Basket flyer. You'll notice that they put their meats on the front here, and I'm not sure I'm finding anything that's really, oh, this is really good. 2 for $9. Their rotisserie chicken, that's better than Costco. So if I were to go there, I'd probably get a rotisserie chicken and look at it very closely, see if I need to get two for this deal. This is for boneless pork butt. This is actually a pretty good deal. So I might get that. We do love pulled pork. That's also a good deal for pork tenderloin. So now I'm looking mostly for the fruits and vegetables because if you know me at all, you know I'm a little bit of a meat hoarder in the freezer. So we're trying to go through the meat that's in the freezer so it doesn't all get freezer burned. I'm trying to clean it out, clear it out, use what I have. It's also a very good tip for anyone looking to save money. Use what you have first. All right, so looking here now, this is a very good price for Bartlett pears. That might draw me in of itself. And we have, I don't buy organic when it's more expensive, except for very few things. That's not a bad price, but looking back over here, let's see, is it crowns? Yep, broccoli crowns. This is a better deal with broccoli crowns. So I might go to Star Market. Looking through. I don't see anything really compelling here, except for those pears, and that's not enough to get me in. Pizza dough. Oh, we might actually need pizza dough. I'm off gluten, but that doesn't mean my family is. So we do need pizza dough, I think, unless I can find some in my freezer or make it myself. The rest here is not all that compelling. Okay, let's keep going. They go back to the meat. So bacon is 2 for $7. That's okay. You know what Market Basket does have that they don't advertise? They have this previously frozen ground beef that is significantly discounted. I always check that cache in the grocery store, and that's a good thing. Now, this is also not as expensive, so if I were looking for kielbasa or hot dogs, it's a pretty good deal here, and those aren't bad hot dogs either. I tend to get the chicken and the meat ones, and then I'll just if I'm putting them in something, which is not very often, but I'll cook them together and people don't know the difference. And then I sneak chicken into my kids. Looking at the rest of this, it's nothing I need, but once I'm out of all of my meat and stuff like that, I'll probably go back to Market Basket if I don't get it from Costco. Family size kielbasa, that's actually a really good deal for 39 ounces. That's a good deal. Fresh sausage, we are getting closer to the warm time of the year, so that's a good deal for fresh sausage. Here we go. Okay, we're starting to pick up. This is starting to get really good. See, Market Basket's flyer is really long. I don't know who they get to do this, but they do a really good job. All right, this is all like fresh and frozen prepared foods and other prepared foods. We don't need it, so we're not going to get it. I'm not going to take too much time looking at it. this could actually help me with my gluten-free stint here. So I might go in for that, although that is so much money. I think I'm just going to eat chickpeas. And the rest of this, they tend to have, eggs for $1, $1.20 per dozen. So that's better than Costco. It's better than Star Market too. And they're really filling. Okay, now we're getting to like bleach and things like that and drinks and all of that. I don't need it. Their bread is on sale. Again, we don't really need bread. We're good. Your cereal is not usually that big of a sale, unlike Star Market. So, and then all the prepared foods. So I think we're good. I'm going to end up going to Star Market just for their fruits and veggies here. And I'll show you maybe I'll show you. I'm going to end up going to Star Market for their fruits and vegetables. And maybe I'll just show you how I make it in another video. I'll show you what I do, how I actually make dinner, how I prepare food so that my family's eating healthy and we're on a budget. It'll be fun. And maybe I'll take you to Star Market with me too, although it's pretty crowded, so I'll have to go early or at another time so I'm not disturbing people. So that's how I meal plan. Oh, let me just show you. So now that we've decided where we're going and what we're doing, pizza night, that's just going to be pizza. We're going to have one night of junk food. Salmon burgers with salad. All right, so it looks like I am getting lettuce and fruit and, other salad veggies. I'll just go in there and pick some out. Leftovers with smoothies, black bean burritos. So what goes in black bean? Tomatoes. Yeah, and tomatoes are on sale too, so we're going to do that. Tomatoes and lettuce. Yeah, I am going to put them in a burrito. And then I'm also going to get some taco shells, some corn ones. All right. And with this one, we're going to have zucchini on the side. And then grilled cheese and super veggies. Oh yeah, okay. So this is going to be grilled cheese, broccoli. If I spelled that right, I think I did. Broccoli, zucchini, squash. We're just going to have a smorgasbord of veggies with that one. White fish with carrots and hummus and green beans. You might be asking, what's for breakfast and lunch? Well, we do actually have that too. So I just got 5 dozen eggs at Costco. So we have hard-boiled eggs, yogurt, fruit, oatmeal, cereal. We just mix them all up. We have a bunch of breakfast food with us. So, and I will get fruit. You see, I get the mangoes, and I always get bananas. And then here, lunch options, leftovers. That's huge. Veggies and hummus, and then I just kind of eat whatever. So today I had leftovers, and I put 2 fried eggs on top of it. It's just like a rice bowl with a bunch of veggies and some fried eggs. So that's what we do: breakfast, lunch options, and then we take this whole meal plan and we work it. That's it. I hope that wasn't too scatterbrained. That's how I meal plan. I tend to just do it in my head now. I've been doing it for years and years and years. So I look at the online circular or in person, in paper circular, figure out what's on sale, and then I fill in my meal plan. That's it.